Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Vue 3. Today we are going to learn about the Vue show directive in the Vue 3. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. In Vue 3, Vue show is a directive used to conditionally show or hide an element by toggling its CSS display property based on the truthy or the falsy values. So here we have the example. Let's copy and paste this. Okay. Let's understand the code also. Save this. Okay, so toggle this element. This is show element, this is hide, this is show, this is hide, right? So let's dive into the code and check what exactly it is. Toggle button to show hide element. So this is a button click, right? At the rate click toggle element. Okay, this is the toggle property returning, right? So element controlled by vshow. So here we have the vshow show element. Okay, so this is the element in the div wrap with the vshow. So in the reference we have the ref from the view. I will completely show have a lesson on the ref what exactly it is in the coming series, right? So here we have a reference from the view setup const show element reference true, initially true or show the element. Okay, so by default it's true, showing the element. When I click on the toggle element show element dot value, I have reversed that value. First it's true, reverse the value, now false. So whenever I click on the toggle button, so whatever the value it will come, it will opposite that value, toggle that value, and return the show element and the toggle element. Okay, this is the concept. And by doing this one, vshow is used over here, right? And the show element in this div column. Okay, so now you can see we can toggle that element. Okay, so this is that one. So what exactly vshow, let's understand more deeply in that. Vshow is used to conditionally show or hide the div element based on the value show element. Initially the show element is set to be true so that the div is displayed. Clicking on the toggle element button toggles the value of the show element, which is in turn shows or hides the div element based on its truthiness. Okay, next, unlike vif which completely adds or remove elements from the DOM, vshow toggles the display css property to show or hide the elements while keeping them in the DOM. It's useful for the elements that needs to be toggled frequently, and it has less impact on the performance compared to vif in certain scenarios. So remember, vshow is useful when you want to toggle the visibility of an element without adding or removing it from the DOM. It's handy for toggling the visibility of elements that needs to be frequently shown and the hidden. In that case you can use. Okay, any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.